The 5 reasons I left Keller Williams for EXP and then tripled my income. Remember, if you like this video, to like, share, and subscribe right down here. I am Russell Enyart, and this video is the top 5 reasons why I left Keller Williams for EXP and then tripled my income. Click right down below in the bio section for a free download that will help you triple your income and also give you the reasons to go from your brokerage to EXP. And don't forget to stay to the end for the number 1 reason why I left Keller Williams for EXP. You're not gonna wanna miss it. All right, the number 5 reason that I moved from KW to EXP is the cap. The cap is very affordable at EXP. It's only $16,000. The cap that I was paying at Keller Williams was $24,000 in addition to a franchise fee. If you look across the country, you're gonna notice that most cases, the EXP cap is much less than the Keller Williams cap, and that's the reason number 5 that I switched from KW to EXP. The number 4 reason that I moved from KW to EXP was the CRM. KV Core is an absolutely fantastic CRM. If you're at KW and you're struggling with Command or having problems with Command, I fought Command for months. I eventually ended up shopping for a new CRM, and I had it narrowed down to 2. I was either gonna pick Boomtown or KV Core. After a long amount of research, my team decided to go with KV Core, and we were paying $799 a month for the team version of KV Core when I worked at Keller Williams. When I found out that KV Core was included as part of the $85 a month fee at EXP, that was a fantastic reason to move. I was saving nearly $10,000 a year for a fantastic CRM. Again, that's the number 4 reason why I moved from KW to EXP. So the number 3 reason why I moved from Keller Williams to EXP was leads directly to your computer or directly to your phone. EXP offers relocation certification, which can get you listings and buyers. It offers REO certification, which can get you listings, then again, which generate buyers. You also can get leads directly to your phones by utilizing different processes that they have within KV Core. And I haven't even mentioned express offers, which can give you built-in cash buyers once you become express offer certified. All of these things are amazing. They're offered at EXP, and they're the number 3 reason why I switched from Keller Williams to EXP. The number 2 reason I moved from Keller Williams to EXP was money, stock, and revenue share. Stock is issued to you for free. That's right, you heard me. When's the last time you got free stock at KW? If they offer it, I never heard about it. At EXP, you get free stock when you do your first transaction. You get free stock when you cap, and they have an amazing program called an Icon program, where if you do approximately 20 transactions after you cap, you get all of your cap back in stock. You gotta jump through a couple hoops. You get the first 8,000 for free. You gotta attend a couple seminars, and you have to teach other folks how you're so successful to get the other 8,000. But you get all 16,000 back in stock. Wouldn't you be thrilled to get all of your money back in stock in any way, any shape, any form? However, that stock has also gone up since I got it back after becoming an Icon agent. I'm gonna share on the screen for you right now the stock that I held after 12 months. Over $100,000 in stock that I either purchased or was issued for free from EXP. Now, you heard me say purchased. You can purchase stock from every transaction. You can use 5% of your commission to purchase stock at a 10% discount. So I have earned over $100,000 in my first 12 months through either free or purchased stock. That is a fantastic retirement program. My retirement plan is 10 years here at EXP, and so if you take that and you project it out, that would be over $1 million that I will have for retirement after 10 years if the stock continues to perform at the same rate each year. If it happens to go up even further, which I hope it does, I could be way over $1 million. Let me tell you a story which I actually think is a sad story. So at Keller Williams, I had this wonderful person that had been at Keller Williams for over 20 years. She was amazing. She was a team leader. She had recruited hundreds of people to Keller Williams over the years, and she was talking to me about profit share. Now realize profit share is much different than revenue share. At EXP, we do revenue share. And so I was excited. I was on the edge of my seat listening to her. She recruited hundreds of agents over to Keller Williams, and I was waiting for her to tell me this astronomical number that she had earned. So we're at this ALC meeting, and she says, hey, so far this year, you can't believe it, I have earned $18,000. We're in September, right? $18,000, not bad. But also after being someplace for 20 years and recruiting hundreds of people over to a company, I was expecting a much bigger number. I have been at EXP since April. I didn't start recruiting until November, about halfway through. And in 6 months, I'm already over $2,000 a month. Look on the screen, I'll share it with you right now, right? The proof is actually in the pudding. I'm over $2,000 a month in revenue share already, and I've just started recruiting. I can't imagine where I would have been after 20 years and hundreds of people under my belt. I'm super excited about it, and I know in months I'm gonna be over $4,000 or $5,000, and my goal is over $40,000 a month in revenue share. We can break it down for you in another video, but revenue share is part of money, and the second part of money, and the number 2 reason why I moved from Keller Williams to EXP. And the number 1 reason that I moved from Keller Williams to EXP was the senior partnership group that I selected. Once I decided that EXP was the place for me, I was very careful about my senior partners, and you should be too. These are the folks that are gonna have a vested interest in your success, and this is how I tripled my commission when I moved from Keller Williams to EXP. Let me tell you about my group. First, there's Amir Kachkovich. Amir is getting his PhD in marketing. He was a broker throughout the state of California with multiple offices, and he created 21 lead generation systems. Amir has coached me lots of times, and he is a significant contributor to how I went from $200,000 at Keller Williams to $600,000 at EXP. Look on the board right there, from $594,000, and then I already showed you the $100,000+ in stock. So did $594,000 my first 12 months. But it doesn't end with Amir. Above Amir is a guy named Tom Daves. Tom Daves was number 1 in the world 7 different times at Keller Williams. Tons of experience, sells hundreds of houses per year, and again was number 1 in the world 7 different times. The next person that is above me, that is a senior partner, is a guy named Don Yoakum. Don Yoakum is a fantastic professional network coach. He will help you drive your business through the roof. He helps me drive my business through the roof. I've had many calls with him, and he's been a huge asset to me. Above Don Yoakum, I have a wonderful person named Randy Bird. Randy Bird has been a Tom Ferry coach previously. He averages $1 million in GCI per person that he coaches. So my goal this year is $1 million in GCI, and Randy is one of the people that's helping me get there. And then last but not least, on the folks that have made a major impact on me is Brent Gove. Brent Gove is responsible for over 13,000 people from my last count here at EXP. He puts on amazing events. If you don't know Brent Gove, all you gotta do is do a quick Google search on him. You will see that he is essentially, in my opinion, the king of EXP, and he has been essential in helping me grow and get better. He's done event after event. He's got a Tony Robbins event coming up this fall. We just got back from Cabo San Lucas, and again, the number 1 reason why I moved from Keller Williams to EXP was these fantastic folks that are helping coach me and helped me triple my income. And those are the top 5 reasons why I moved from Keller Williams to EXP. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like and subscribe. Don't forget to also hit that little bell for future notifications. And then I got more stuff right here for you. Please comment below, and if you have any questions about EXP, we'd love to know what brokerage you're with, and we'll catch you next time.